Profile of a good. To accept losing is also about taking responsibility for your choices. If you do not accept losing on a trade, it is usually because you have opened a profile of a good trader. To accept losing is also about taking responsibility for your choices. If you do not accept losing on a trade, it is usually because you have opened a position without a valid reason. Losing, knowing that you haven't made a mistake, is frustrating enough. There is no need to add additional frustration that could lead to anger and irrational decision-making. There is always frustration in trading. It accumulates incrementally with losing trades, but can also happen if you cut a winning position too early. It is rare to be able to buy at the lowest and sell at the highest, or vice versa. If this happens to you, it is due solely to luck. In most cases, you only take part of the movement. You have to accept it and step back. With experience, frustration gradually disappears as you gain confidence in your strategy. Modesty on the financial markets. It is better to remain modest, whatever your performance. If your performance is very high, it is because your risk is high. Each trader has a different risk aversion. Achieving higher results does not make you a better trader. It's all about the risk taken. It is the return/risk ratio that makes it possible to judge a strategy. A good trader is the one who best exploits this ratio by having a higher result than other traders with equivalent risk. If you talk about your gains, you must also be able to talk about your losses. I advise you not to talk about your earnings. Whatever your performance, it adds extra pressure. Effectively, you will want to maintain or increase that performance to look good in front of those you have told about your earnings. This often leads to additional risks. Excessive confidence can make you feel invincible in the financial markets. This usually comes after a series of winning trades. You must keep your feet on the ground or risk taking certain positions under the influence of euphoria. I have told you several times in this article, emotions equals danger in trading. Remain humble and leave your ego aside. Conclusion: don't try to become the best trader or even to win in the financial markets. In trading, you have to last above all else. It's a school of small profits. Success requires both gains and losses. It is loss management that often makes the difference between a good and a bad trader. The goal is to find the trading strategy that allows you to control your emotions the best and adapts to your character the best. No strategy is better than any other. What makes it successful or not is you. If it is not adapted to your psychology, you will lose. Getting to know yourself and managing your emotions is the key to success in trading.